Click on the link below to get price. The PUCKIPUPPY Boxer Electric Bike stands out in the e-bike market with its impressive power and solid build, making it a compelling choice for adults seeking both leisure and utility in their rides. The heart of this bike is its robust 960W motor, which delivers exceptional torque and speed, making uphill climbs and rough terrains manageable. Riding feels effortless, and the acceleration is smooth, allowing you to quickly reach higher speeds without feeling overwhelmed. The 48V 20AH battery provides a remarkable range, offering up to 50 miles on a single charge, which is perfect for long commutes or weekend adventures. Charging is straightforward and relatively quick, ensuring that you spend more time riding and less time waiting. The bike also features 3 levels of pedal assist, giving riders the flexibility to choose how much assistance they want, whether they prefer a leisurely ride or a more intense workout. The design of the PUCKIPUPPY Boxer is both aesthetically pleasing and functional. The bike boasts a sturdy aluminum frame that not only enhances durability but also keeps the weight manageable. The wide tires provide excellent stability and grip, making it a reliable choice for various terrains, from city streets to rugged trails. Additionally, the adjustable seat and ergonomic handlebars ensure a comfortable riding position, catering to riders of different heights. One notable feature is the bright LED headlight and integrated taillight, which enhance visibility during night rides, making it safer for evening commutes. The bike also includes a high-quality suspension system that absorbs shocks effectively, providing a smooth ride even on bumpy paths. Overall, the PUCKIPUPPY Boxer Electric Bike is an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their cycling experience. With its powerful performance, long-range battery, and thoughtful design, it offers great value for both casual riders and those looking to incorporate cycling into their daily routine. Whether for commuting or recreation, this e-bike delivers on all fronts, making every ride enjoyable.